Holly from Maine Yoga Adventures. I thought today could be fun to show you some things that I like to do in hammock when I teach my aerial classes. So I'm just going to start by backing into this lovely apparatus. Bring my hands together in front of my heart and just take a great big breath, reaching back. Bring my hands in front of the hammock so I can walk forward. And this is the magic right here. So immediately my back gets elongated, gravity. Just pulling those sits bones down. And I just get to sink. So nice. Lots of space happening. Just take a few rocks forward and back. Hello. Maybe start to use my arms. Great big movements. Just go ahead and back up here. I'm going to show you a couple more things in this fun hanging device. Another way to elongate my back would be to go into hip hang. What I make sure for hip hang is that the hammock's nowhere near my belly. And again, once I relax, the spine just gets some length. You make some space. You can stretch out your shoulders too. You can push the thighs away in something we call tranquility. You can practice your down dog and handstand here. So I can walk my hands out, let the hammock slide me back, get that really nice stretch for down dog. Sits bones reaching away from the crown of the head, just as you would in your mat practice. But the hammock helps you make a little more space. Then I'm going to walk my hands towards my feet, and my legs go wide, which keeps me in the hammock. You can rock your handstand. Pretty fun. Now from here, I love to say you can flip out if you want to. I personally love to flip out. So I'm going to bring my hands up high. And I'm going to flip out. Yay. Okay. So I'm going to show you another way to get upside down. Let me acclimate myself. And the way I do that is to do a little ragdoll. Place the hammock in front of my shoulders and I just kind of hang out. Much better. So now I'm going to come into one of the lovely favorites, and it's called back straddle. So rather than having the hammock just below my scapula, I'm going to have it at my sacrum. So I'm getting up nice and high, pulling that hammock down, walking back. Matrix moment, legs wide. So the legs wide again are keeping me in the hammock. And here I am, upside down. Again, gravity is making the magic happen. I don't have to do much here. And there is a super great hip opener here. So I'm going to bring one leg across, the other leg's going back. And you can just hang out here, you can hold on. Yay! I'm going to do the other side. Now for today, after this fun hammock hang, I'm going to show you some bits of adventuring that I've had at Baxter State Park, where I've climbed Katahdin in the winter. Now this year, I will not be climbing Katahdin, but I am adventuring at Baxter State Park. We're going to be hiking into Daisy Pond, staying at a really lovely cabin, and spending 2 nights so we can really just take our time. Snowshoeing fun. Yay! I still have space if you want to come. Cool, so from here, I'm going to bring the bottoms of the feet together, knees out wide. I'm going to look up at my feet, come up, I'm going to try to find a boat for you. Woo! Yay! Floating. Super fun. And then I get to do that ragdoll again to just let everything go, let myself acclimate, coming back to And I'm going to show you just one more of our basics here in hammock. One that's quite lovely, and I'm coming up a little higher for this one. So I'm going to step in, one foot, other foot. Knees go out wide, bottoms of the feet together, one arm through, other arm through, and I'm gonna sit. Yeah! So it's Baddha Konasana in hammock. Sweet! Great for the hips. Doesn't really bother my feet because I have my handy socks on. It's okay for my ankles too. Sometimes it's fun to get a little extra stretch here. I like to kick my legs out. Whee! You can also go upside down here. Here I go. Woo! All right. I highly recommend some hammock fun in your life. Go and try a class sometime. Here I am at Homeland Yoga in Brewer. A great place to take an aerial class. Lots of fun teachers. Wow. Kick it out. Woo. Good, so, get out there, everybody, enjoy, try new things. Your body could really thank you for it. I'm just gonna get my spine a little longer. Be well. Namaste. Everybody wave at the camera. That's you on top of Katahdin on video. Hey. Nice job. Here I am too.